Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're focusing on how to manage multiple projects simultaneously on teamwork.com. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your teamwork.com account. Now that we've done that, go to the dashboard. Here's where you'll see all your current projects. If you're new to Teamwork, click on Add Your First Project. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of all active projects. Next up, let's add another project. Again, click on Add Project, fill in the project details, and hit Create. This helps us because it allows us to quickly shift between different projects without losing track of any of them. Now, let's dive into how to manage these projects. Click on List under the project's name. Here you can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. This is where the magic happens. It's where you can really keep track of the project's progress and make sure everyone knows what they should be doing. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning tasks and setting deadlines, you ensure that everyone on your team understands their responsibilities and when they should be completed. It keeps the project moving forward and reduces confusion. The next step is to use the board view. This view allows you to track the progress of tasks in real time. The reason we do this is to have an instant visual of the project's status. Now remember, when we added multiple projects, here's where it becomes interesting. On the main dashboard, you can see all your projects at a glance. You can easily switch between projects, ensuring you always have a handle on what's happening in each one. Let's touch on the portfolio feature. This is a premium feature, but it's worth mentioning. This feature allows you to group related projects together. This helps us because it can provide a high-level overview of how related projects are progressing. Now that we've covered the basics, it's important to remember that regularly checking in on your projects and updating tasks is key to managing multiple projects on teamwork.com. In conclusion, managing multiple projects simultaneously on teamwork.com is all about organization and understanding the tools available to you. From adding projects to assigning tasks and monitoring progress, teamwork.com provides an efficient way to keep your projects moving forward. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get in there and start managing your projects like a pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.